In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hack the I Can Make Shoes ballet pump pattern to give us a little bit of a higher top line. So I've got two ballet pumps in front of me here, and I thought I would show you the subtle difference that I'm talking about so that you can do this hack for yourself. So this is our standard shape. It's a beautiful shape, but it's very low at the front here and quite open and sort of wide on the foot. So this is perfect if you do have a sort of slightly wider foot. This one I've got here is sitting up a little bit higher on the foot and is slightly narrower around this area here, which we call the throat. I am going to take the standard pattern and I'm going to do a little bit of a hack on it. So I've already printed out my pattern here, and I'm going to show you how simple it really is to hack this to get a bit of a higher top line. So I'm going to bring it up by sort of roughly 1.5 centimeters. So there's really no right or wrong here. I'm just sort of winging it really, but I know that I want to bring it quite a bit higher up at the toe and also a bit narrower in at the throat there. So I'm just going to roughly draw on what I think around here. And I'm going to kind of like ease it off towards where the pattern was originally, roughly. And I might even, just to make sure this is perfect, fold this in half. So we do have a little notch at the very tip there, which is the center front. And this pattern should be pretty symmetrical. So if I fold that in half, I can go ahead and cut out what I've done and see if that feels right to me. So yeah, 1.5 centimeters up, and then I've kind of eased it back down, but I have ended up roughly 5 mil up from the back as well. Okay, so that's looking really nice to me. At that point, it would be nice to cut it out, make a really rough mock-up, and if I'm happy with the shape, which I'm pretty certain I will be, I would then go ahead and add another 5 mil of extra allowance to the top line there so that I can use that to have a folded edge, or I can use it as trimming allowance on my lining. But that is literally the fastest and easiest pattern hack I think ever. So I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.